stop tonight. We gon' stop tonight. Yeah.
What's up, babies? It's your favorite girl, Butterfly.Babiii, back with another video. We're gonna go ahead and get us a peach tea, a nice little towel to put it on, move our cat out the way, and do our nails. Yes, sir. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is file down your nail. Now, your reason for this is, of course, to clean up your nail and get that top layer of oil off, but also it's going to give yourself a rough base for your glue to stick onto. Use your cuticle pusher to go ahead and get all of that extra dead skin off, and yeah, clean up your nails, ladies. Cuticle care is important. Alright, now after you're done slicing all of your dead skin off your fingertips, you are going to do one more file through just to get a real good base for your glue, making sure that any extra dead skin that's sitting in or on top of your nail is removed. And then you're going to take a wipe and just wipe off all of that extra dirt and dust and debris that you just got done swiping. And yes, I said swiping, don't do me, okay? Then you're going to get your lovely bag of assorted nail sizes and just pick out the nail sizes that fit your fingertips the best. If you have any hangover, or if a nail's like a little bit too big but you don't have a size that fits better than that one, you could take your filer and just file around the edge. You're going to see me do that in the next couple clips. Alright, and now you're going to go ahead and take your glue and just like start in the middle of your nail and kind of work your way around it, making a big circle. You don't want to push the glue all the way out to the edges of your nail, because when you press your nail on, it's going to overflow, and that just makes a big mess, and nobody really want all that. Alright, now that we got these bad babies on, we could go ahead and start getting to painting. Now, the nail polish that I use came straight from the dollar store, and these little gems came from the beauty supply store. I did not spend a lot of money on this project at all, guys, I promise you. And I feel like my results came out just as well as if I would have went to somebody else. Mostly because the shape looks so nice on these nails, but also like you can do anything with these designs and your materials don't have to cost you a lot. So I definitely use dollar store nail polish and like cheap beauty supply. Like they were literally $2, and I don't know, like over the years I've gotten really good at painting my nails. The key to really getting like a nice smooth coat of nail polish is to either get a fresh bottle or when you're going to use your nail polish, set it in a little pool of hot water, as you can see that I have in the corner there, because that just makes the nail polish like real smooth and liquidy, so that way it's not so clumpy when you're trying to put it on your nail and it doesn't look like as much of a hot mess. Now with the dollar store, you are going to need more coats of nail polish. I did notice that, but honestly the results are the exact same, and the colors and everything like that were so cute. So honestly, as long as you're creative, you can really do anything you want and not have to pay a lot for it. And I just really wanted to make that clear here. As for that pen or that red, I ended up not using it because it didn't work. I feel really cheated by my beauty supply store, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just take one for the team and just say whatever, it is what it is. And the look I was going for was a very like accent nail, not every nail is the same color, two color slash gold kind of feel going on. So that's why I had like two accent nails in the middle, and then like an accent color that was just a completely different color, and then a nail, like, you know what I'm saying? I really only used two colors and gold flakes, like that's really it. But that's the look I was going for, and I just used, and I wanted a design for my third accent nail, so that's why I put the tape there, so that way I could put the gold flakes in the clear part. That was the whole concept, and the way I did that is I just used tape to make the clear transition. I didn't try to eyeball it because I don't have that steady of a hand. I do not do this for a living. Thank you. Now y'all, I don't think y'all understand how difficult it was for me to put these gold flakes on without a wax pencil. I tried to find one at the beauty supply store. They didn't have any, so I was kind of shit out of luck. But the method that I used to create it was I tried to use the tweezers to pick it up and put it down on my nail. That wasn't really going too well because it was gold flakes, and my tweezers, like all of their tweezers, just couldn't hold it, so they ended up falling before they even got to the nail. So at one point, I literally, after I had a paper towel full of little flakes, the cheap bitch in me just kind of like took my nail and dumped it all over the paper towel to get the flakes to actually stick on my nail. It worked. It worked. Now another challenge was getting my ombre nail to ombre. I didn't have makeup sponges. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, again, these tools do not cost a lot, but if I had a makeup sponge, I would have been able to put both of the colors on and still ombre it. But I didn't have a makeup sponge, so I had to use like a makeup brush that I had and kind of like stipple it a little bit and mix it up and like use a lot of paint. So I don't know, somehow I was able to get the ombre feel that I was looking for. I did it better on my thumb than I did it on my middle finger on my left hand, so right hand. So yeah, literally just messed up my nail. Here's a close-up though of how they look. I feel like I did a superb job, except for my ombre looks quite trash, and that middle finger needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But aside from that, y'all can't tell me my nails don't look good. Okay. All right, y'all, so I definitely look crazy right now, but my nails is did, so I'm halfway there. Make sure you like this video. This is I'm gonna make this like a little series, a little like get ready with me, how to get cute on a budget series. And I like this hand way better because I'm way more dominant with my left hand at doing like my hands than I am with my right. So, or I'm dominant on my right hand, so it's easier for me to do my left hand than it is for me to do my right. So that's why this one like kind of turned out kind of caca, but it's still cute. If you like this video and you want more like this one, make sure you like, comment. Fuck, yo, I keep fucking up my nails, bro, and now I'm pissed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment other things that you want to see in the description down below. Make sure you go check out my Depop, where I will be selling like other creations that I make: shirts, hats, beanies, panties, underwear, whatever. My Depop is Ari238. And when you look on my page, it should say BB's Closet. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Butterfly.Babiii, Snapchat, all of that. All of that will be at the end, at the outro. So just make sure to tune into that. And it should be in my description down below. What else I was gonna say? Go make sure you check out other videos on my channel. I just dropped how I made that sweetie t-shirt. You could go check that out. What else? I think that's it. All right, babies. Y'all have a great day. Bye.